In this video, we're working through exercise E22 on page 11 of the question book. It says, the Printed Wood is a publisher of magazines, and on the 1st of April 2015, it received 1,200 Rand from a subscriber for a 12-month subscription from the 1st of April 2015 to the 31st of March 2016. The financial year end of Printed Wood is the 31st of December. It says you're required to analyze the transaction and receipt of the cash from the subscriber on the 1st of April 2015, calculate the amount of income to be recognized in respect to the subscription for the year end and explain why. Then calculate the amount of asset or liability to be recognized in the statement of financial position in relation to the subscription at 31st December 2015 and explain why this is recognized as an asset or liability. Justify your answer with a conceptual framework. Now, when they ask you to justify your answer with the conceptual framework, that is when you should ensure that you explain the definition. You have the definition there, explain the definition, and then apply the definition. So let's look at the first part. It says analyze the transaction. So it says on the 1st of April you received 1,200 Rand. So we have the bank account, right, which is an asset, increasing with 1,200. On the 1st of April, we received the money for 12-month subscription. So we received the money, but we haven't yet rendered the service. So we call that account income received in advance. Right? We haven't yet rendered the service. We still owe them the service, and therefore this is a liability, increasing 1,200. Right? And this is the transaction happening on the 1st of April 2015. Now it says you come to the 31st of December. So is the full amount still income received in advance? If you come to the 31st of December, it means you rendered the service for April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So if we look at it, 1,200 was received for 12 months, which means 120 is the advertising contract per month. Do you agree with that? So from the 1st of April up until, let's do it in one, from the 1st of April up until the 31st of December. That's how many months? Here we have 9. Right? So that's 9 months. Which means we rendered the service for 9 months. So is the full amount still income received in advance? Do we still owe them the service for the full month? For the full 12 months? No. We've already rendered services for 9 months, which means we only owe them for 3. So by the 31st of December, we've rendered the service, which means the important part there is we've earned the income. Remember, income is recorded when it is earned. So now we've earned the income. So we say 1,200 divided by 12 times 9. That tells you that you've earned income of 900. So we say services rendered is now an income account increasing owner's equity with 900. You agree with that? So they ask you, why is this recognized in income? We know that income is recognized when it is earned. We've now rendered the services for 9 months, and therefore we've now earned the income of 900 Rand. Do we understand that part? So that's the important part to look at. Have you rendered the service, provided the service, or made the sale? If you've provided the service or made the sale, then it means you've earned the income. So we've earned the income of 900 Rand. Now it says you still have, if you've rendered 900 Rand, they paid you 1,200 Rand. What does that mean? It means you still owe them services of 300 Rand. So by the 31st of December 2015, we still owe services of 300 Rand. You agree with that? So we still owe them services of 300 Rand. Let's just double check our answer. So this part that we owe remains a liability. And what is the definition of a liability? So we go back to our definition of a liability, write down our definition, and then apply the definition. Is it still a present obligation? Yes, it is. We still owe 300 Rand's worth of service. Right? So that 300 Rand's worth of service that we still owe, that is the liability. The 900 Rand of services which we've rendered is an income. So go through again your definition of an asset of a liability, of an income of an expense, so that you know when to apply the definition, and when you've applied the definition, how to then classify it appropriately. So that's E 2.2.